In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a signature on Gmail. Okay, so once you've loaded up your Gmail account, you're logged in. What you want to do is click on the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. And then once that loads up, you want to click here where it says see all settings. Once you're on the settings page, you want to go to the general tab, which it'll be on by default. Then you just want to scroll down until you find the option here that says signature. Right now I have no signatures created, so all you would need to do is click on create new. You would give this a name, so I'll just call it test signature and then click on create. Once you've done that, you can now create your signature. Now you can either just write text right here as your signature, or you could create an image that is going to act as your signature. To upload that image, you'll just have to click this insert image button, and then you would want to upload it either from your drive, or you can upload the file right here and select it from your computer. So I don't have anything right now, but that would be how you do that, and that is basically all there is to it. And then you have some different options right here. You can say for new emails use, and then you can have test signature, and then on reply you can have no signature, for an example. And you have this option insert signature before the quoted text in replies and remove the line that precedes it. So you can tick that on if you want to as well. But that would be the process of how you create a signature in Gmail. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.